Let's thread the machine. So I have the thread coming off the back of the spool. The little felt circle will be on the bottom of the spool or to the right side, and then the spool cap on the pin. At this point, I'm going to follow the numbering system without the black circle, and you need your foot up. When the foot is down, the door is closed at number 4 and we can't get the thread in there. That's so that the tension discs open up and the thread gets seated. So around the silver piece, up and around, there's number 2. Number 3 is here. 4, you just kind of sweep around and it catches. And I always like to take my thread, especially when I teach new students, to see that it's a straight line and you know it's attached. 5, 6 is above the needle. 7 has 2 little spots, a silver piece right here, and then where the number 7 is, back to front on the thread color and pull it forward. And now let's touch this lovely button, just love it. The wonderful Never Miss Needle Threader. And we're threaded. This spool pin will lay down, and then the lid comes down and keeps everything nice, clean, and neat up there.